What is up, everyone? It's your boy Jonathan Rodriguez, and today we're gonna do something special because today is officially the Salteña Day. No, I'm just kidding. It's not actually Salteña Day, but we're gonna go to 3 different places or 4 to try different kinds of Salteñas around La Paz. I'm pretty excited, and let's see how they taste. Because man, I love Salteñas. Actually, I love more Llauchos, but Salteñas, they're in my top 2. Anyway, we're gonna go there. Okay, right now we are in Hospital General, and basically right now when I was walking around this area, I saw people selling stuff, and I've actually found quinoa with leche. That basically will be milk with quinoa. And this kind of stuff is something that people from La Paz and people from Bolivia in general, they eat all the time during breakfast time. And it's really good because like quinoa is something that in Bolivia you can find it anywhere. In La Paz you can find it anywhere. It's something that people consume all the time. And quinoa with leche, that it will be like quinoa with milk, it's like a perfect breakfast that any people from Bolivia can eat. Like it normally costs around 2 Bolivians to 1 Bolivian. That would be like 10 cents of a dollar or like 25 cents of a dollar, something like that. It varies a bit depending the place where you go. But basically, for a good breakfast, this is something really great, and it's like healthy and it's natural. So I really like it. And the taste is pretty amazing. And yeah, I cannot complain. Like this is the perfect way to start the day right here. So we're here in our first destination, in our first place for eating Salteñas, and this place is called Los Castores, Salteñeria. So basically I'm not sure what to expect, but we will see what kind of Salteñas they have. Apparently this is a really good place that is basically in front of the stadium, the only stadium that is in La Paz. But yeah, let's see how it tastes and let's see how it is. So basically we're in the first place that is called Los Castores, and in this place the Salteña is pretty good. Actually the way that you eat it is like from the top to the bottom, because inside is really juicy. So if you want to try to cut it in half, you're gonna make a mess because all the juice is gonna go through your hands and stuff like that. So the way you eat it is from the top to the bottom. Also, if you don't know how to eat it, they give you like a spoon, so you can, just take all the meat and the juice and then you eat the rest of the Salteña. But yeah, like this kind of Salteña is kind of not too salty. Oh yeah, and also take care of your teeth because this Salteña could be all over there. But yeah, as I was saying, like there is like 2 kinds of Salteña. There are some people that make sweet Salteñas and the other one that make it a little bit salty. But there is like a line in between where it's not too salty, not too sweet. I'm aiming to find that Salteña. This one is okay. Like it tastes good, and it's actually made from fricassé, that is basically pork. But yeah, like it's really good Salteña. You can find it only in Bolivia, and maybe in other countries, but I don't know about that. But Bolivia, it was made here. So that Salteña was actually really good. The fun fact is that not many places in La Paz they have Salteñas that are made by fricassé, that is basically pork. Most of the places that sell Salteñas, they only have either chicken or steak, that it will be meat. And yeah, but in this place especially, they have fricassé, that is basically pork with a special juice. Actually it tastes good. Like the pork, it was nice, but the dough, that tastes like really good. And yeah, man, I love Salteñas. Like I'm not sure if I have anything here, but yeah, like that's the only bad thing. Once you finish eating Salteña, you have to check your teeth because mostly you're gonna have anything on here. But yeah, like that place was really good. I liked it. It tastes well, and we're gonna go to the second place now and see how the Salteñas over there taste like. So yeah, It's a good weather. I hope it doesn't rain. We're in Salteñeria on Salteña Pacena. I don't know what to expect. The other place was a little bit spicy, but this place I'm not sure what to expect. Apparently the salteñas right here are pretty good. And we will see. I'm already getting full because I already ate so many salteñas, but I'm not gonna stop and we're just gonna see it. So let's just jump into it and see it. So we're here in Salteña La Pacena, and right now we're trying something different. I was thinking about getting a regular salteña, or salteña steak or chicken salteña, but I realized in this place they have salteña de hoja, that is basically translate to salteña leaf or something like that. The difference about this salteña is that it's made by the leaf. Like, it has a different shape and it's different. I'm not sure how it tastes, but we will see it. And also I got something to drink that is basically linaza, and people around this area, they say that linaza is really good for the stomach if you have a stomachache or if you want to digest. So we will drink something like that. And also we have some spicy, that is locoto, that is basically hot peppers that you normally would put it in salteñas. Some people do it, some people don't. It's your choice, but it's there for you to try. But we will see how it tastes, and yeah, we will see. The interesting thing about the salteña is that it doesn't have any juice, so you won't have any problem to eat it. It's a little bit dry, but not too dry. You can still feel the meat and stuff like that. And the shape itself is kind of interesting because it's not like a normal salteña. But yeah, like this seems pretty good. I like it. It's pretty tasty and it's really good. So that place was really good. I really wasn't expecting to find something like that. Because my plan was just to eat a regular salteña or something like that. But when I saw it in the menu that they have salteña de hoja, I decided to try it because it's something different. And I never tried that, to be honest. And it actually tastes really, really good. Like, the only thing is that it might be a positive and negative thing because it's a little bit dry, but not too dry. It's not like salteña that is really, really juicy, but the taste is there. And yeah, like, actually I liked it. It was pretty good. Salteña de hoja is something I would actually recommend, and something that I will actually consider to eat it once or maybe even twice. But yeah, like this journey is good. I'm really full right now. I'm not sure if I will be able to eat anything else, but we will see if I have the will to eat it. But yeah, Salteña de hoja was amazing indeed, and Salteña La Paz. So yeah, I liked it. It was fun, and the environment is pretty cool. So yeah, it was amazing. It was pretty good. So we're here in Salteñas El Diablo. That name, it gives me a sense that it's gonna be a spicy salteñas or something like that. I'm not sure. This is located in, I think, Uni Street or something like that. But I'm pretty sure if you Google this name, Salteñas El Diablo, you will find it. Let's see. I don't know what to expect, but so let's go inside. We're here eating salteñas from Salteñas El Diablo. I'm basically talking like this because this salteña is really, really spicy. I got basically a chicken salteña, and it's really good, but it's kind of spicy. So if you're into spicy salteñas, I will suggest you to come to this place. But yeah, like, I'm basically gonna drink some juice over here because I cannot handle it. I'm weak, to be honest. I barely eat like something spicy, so eating something like this for me is like too much of a deal. But for native people that live from Bolivia, this is nothing. Basically, it's just like, you know, spicy. But yeah, actually it tastes good. And chicken, it is lovely. And also the shape, it's kind of perfection. You see how they did it? They actually took time to make this salteña, like the way it's shaped and stuff like that. But yeah, like, it's spicy, but good, really good. Okay, so that was the last place that we eat salteña. Like, I'm really full, I cannot do it anymore. Like, I'm gonna die, like, basically, like, my stomach is getting huge. But that was great. The salteña was spicy as hell. I cannot curse. And yeah, like, it was really good. And hopefully I don't have anything on my teeth, but that was amazing. I'm really full. I hope you guys liked the salteñas like I did. what am I talking about? You didn't even taste it, but at least you look at it. And hopefully you will be encouraged to come to La Paz and try these amazing salteñas. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. You know, leave your comments and stuff like that, and let me know what you think about these videos. And also, I hope you are encouraged to come to Bolivia, to La Paz City, because this is an amazing place. And yeah, like, I hope you got an amazing day. All right, cool.